If you have got a Jayco caravan or camper trailer and you think your awning light is rubbish, this video is for you. Because I've got one myself and I've found that that white awning light is very terrible at night. So we've come up with a solution for it by using a National Luna light and a custom-made aluminium bracket that has got the exact same mounting points as the awning light of the Jayco campers has. And the good thing is, this has got orange light in 3 different dimming stages. And then it turns back off. And if you hold it for a bit longer, you can change it to white as well. And it is quite bright actually. We usually use it on the orange setting because the orange setting has got the exact same light temperature as a campfire and it makes for a very nice campsite. The installation is quite easy. We've prepared a time lapse for you where you can see how it all works. The parts consist out of one main bracket, as you can see here, and a secondary bracket. This has got the same mounting pattern as the awning light has that the Jayco comes with from factory. This part mounts in here. The light itself mounts in there like that. It connects to the factory wiring, just needs to be soldered or crimped together. And a little bit of Celestic is being used so that you can seal everything again. And then you've got a very nice awning light, which makes for a much nicer campsite. Please have a look at our website perthpro.com.au or come and visit us in our shop in Bayswater where we've got these brackets and we've got the lights as well and some instructions if you need them. Thank you very much for watching.